I have a Hunter ceiling fan, the lights flicker and flash. I was told that my fan has both a limiter and a capacitor, but I do not know which is which.
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question. The limiter is connected to the light kit and the capacitor isn't. Try reducing the wattage of the lamps or removing a couple of the lamps for a test.
Still no luck. The fan is a took 2 cat hash. I'm assuming that I cut out the limiter. If that is the case, what do I do with the red and black wire? When I put the wires together, the fan goes. When they are not together, nothing works.
How did you make out?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.